In today's video, I wanted to show you how I trimmed my own split ends at home. Please keep watching. My hair is already shampooed, conditioned, and detangled. Now I am going in with my blow dryer on a very cool setting. After I was done blow drying my hair, I used a white tooth comb and started detangling one more time. I also put my hair into some smaller sections just to make it manageable. So it's been about a year since I have had a trim. October of 2019 was the last trim that I had, and I thought that it was way overdue and it was definitely time to trim my ends. So I decided to do this at home. I decided that since this is the first time I am trimming my own hair, that I would at least start by trimming just about half an inch. After fully examining my hair, I decided to go back in just one more time and eliminate any old scraggly ends that I felt that needed to be cut. I think for my first time ever trimming my hair myself, I did a great job. I will definitely be doing this again.